one more secret till Christmas.
Captain, are you sure this is the right place?
We're the best pirates in the world. Of course this is the right place.
Are you sure? It looks different.
And our ship just sank. It's at the bottom of the sea.
Ignore that. We have to go find our secret Santas.
I forgot where I buried mine.
Me too. Anyone else?
Hey, are you the one who buried a bunch of stuff on your island?
Yes, we're doing the secret Santa.
But we can't remember where we buried them. You can help with that. It will help you. It will help you with your talent and eyes.
Because that's the type of elves we are.
Yes, the type of elves we are.
I will now roll
Will now roll
a perception
perception
check.
check. No, maybe we'll ask Mistletoe.
Meow.
I can see him in the distance because I have very good eyes. Stop. Here's the spot. There's something buried here.
I can dig it up.
I can dig it up.
Toes.
I can dig it up with my little toes.
It shoots missiles.
What's it? Shoots missiles. Can you? I'd like to see you try.
That's a move like a cannon. I don't know what missile it is. Don't know what a missile is.
Oh, sorry. Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah?
They haven't really been invented yet.
They haven't really got invented yet.
So dig.
What are you digging up?
It's a ball.
That's it.
One for a game that starts with T.
What is this?
Fail.
Just keep throwing. Keep throwing.
It's very hard to use.
Hey, you forgot me. What are you doing here? There are pirates on the island. I'm doing it.
Oh, you're the Secret Santa pirates.
Oh, you're the Secret Santa pirates.
That's okay then.
That's okay, Ken.
I'll take you to the next thing.
I'll take you to the next thing. Yeah.
Yum yum. LG 97.
Gel.
I can't figure it out.
Dum. No, dum isn't a word. Well, it's definitely not whatever this is. It's probably just a puzzle, yeah. Let's do 9.67.
Oh, I figured it out. It's 6, 7.
7.
need to hold
This
your...
has been going on for ages. We've all been wondering what it is. Dig, dig, dig.
Siren. It's a siren. It's literally a siren. It's a siren. We can literally see.
Let's just pretend
They
we
can
didn't find anything. Good idea!
This is what you need to hold
This
your...
has been going on for ages.
Are you sure this is the right place?
Oh, the question isn't whether it's the right place or not. The question is, when is the right place?
What?
Flashback!
What happened?
Okay, we got it now. You guys need to...
I'm not.
What happened?
We're in the past. A flashback.
So can we ask them for the present?
No, that would absolutely destroy time.
The spot? I don't know what that means.
So, what I was going to do is a bit of
Wait.
fun.
Wait, I have no idea.
Left
Do you
jab,
have a dice,
yes.
or have you got a...
Left jab is if yes.
Right hook, if no.
have you
Right,
got a dice or inverted
if
dice
no.
you can roll?
Yep, you keep it. Yep.
Choose a number between 1 and 6.
And you do your left. The left hook. And you say.
This is it.
Okay. And now. A soccer ball.
Are you 100 sure? Yes. And this is it?
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
You have dug a lot of holes. Yes. Oh, I'll just hold it.
It's okay. Yeah, you're doing good.
But you're sure?
Yes.
It's like a pattern.
Mm-hmm.
What about, I don't know, like I like drawing.
But you're...
Can you?
Can you see anything? Yes.
So I already know that page is doing that.
Chicken
Chocolate!
Here we are.
Oh, thank you, Santa Claus.
Of course, Santa is always happy to help.
Rainbow popcorn.
It looks like you found the most important thing of all, friendship.
One remaining.
Wow, I can't believe that we get to read the real Santa Claus.
Hey, I don't know. I'm not the Santa that you're thinking of. I'm not Santa Claus. I'm Santa Claus.
Santa Claus, Santa Claus.
So you might want to go. But I'll give you it.
I was bitten by a werewolf on Christmas Day, and now every year on Christmas, I turn into a wolverine. I lose control and turn into a monster. You wouldn't want to be here when that happens.
But Santa, it's Christmas.